This video will show you how to set up an alert within a department. Hotelogix lets you put an alert for different areas of the front desk for a particular reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you want to put an alert. Click Messages Tasks in the context menu that shows up. The Messages Tasks panel opens. Click the Tasks tab. From the For drop-down, select the work area as front desk. Now, select the checkbox for alert. Choose the relevant event. For instance, select On Checkout and type the task as Collect Phone Charger. Note: an alert can be added for 4 different events: on check-in, on check-out, on access, on payment. In case an alert is set up, the due date and time are no longer applicable. Click OK and close. The alert will now appear on the checkout screen on the day of checkout. Right-click the reservation for which you have set an alert. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. At the bottom of the page, click the room for which the alert has been set. Click Checkout. You are redirected to the Payment section. The alert shows up here. Click OK and close. Note: the alert will appear only once. Alternatively, you can add alerts from the Reservation tab. Right-click the reservation for which you wish to add an alert. Click View Details in the context menu. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. The reservation opens in a new tab. At the bottom of the page, click the room for which the alert needs to be added. The selected reservation will open. Click Task. The same messages. Tasks panel opens, where you can add the alert in a similar manner, as explained earlier. This brings us to the end of the video on how to set up an alert within a department.